Hi guys, welcome to Merlin's Ears. Today we're going to give you a vlog with a difference. Instead of our usual family days out, we're going to give you a quick room tour. We're staying in Torquay at the moment at the Hampton By Hilton hotel. It's a relatively new hotel. I believe it only opened earlier this year. First impressions are great. It's really modern, really fresh from the reception area downstairs. Staff seem fantastic. In terms of COVID, when we came to our room, the door had like a plastic seal over it. I'll insert a picture of that here for you. And that just confirms to us that this room has been cleaned to a high standard. Neil and Harry have just gone to get our bags from the car, so while they're out of the room, I thought I'd take this opportunity to give you a quick tour. So as soon as you come into the room, you've got this kind of like frosted glass door here. If I go in here, it's a sliding door which kind of doubles up as the door to the wardrobe as well. So when you come in, really lovely, really fresh. Just plain white tiles, you've got the toilet there, plenty of towels down the bottom. And then you've got some wall dispenser, got hand soap and body lotion. Got a really lovely light around the mirror, just a shame about the reflection in it. Unfortunately it doesn't have a bath, but it has a really good sized shower in this room. So it's like you've got a rainfall shower and a detachable one there as well. Is there anything in here? Oh, they're lovely. So we've got here body wash, shampoo and conditioner as well. So as we come out, you've got a huge mirror actually. So it's a full size, sort of put it twice as wide as I've seen in other hotel rooms. And if I pull this door across, you can see here we've got plenty of storage space. It does come with a ironing board and an iron, which is handy because I think some of our clothes are going to be creased up from the journey down. And you've got one of those sort of fold away sort of storage things for your luggage as well there. And then as you come into the main room, it's really tastefully decorated. I love the sort of the downlights there above the beds. Got a decent size, I guess that's a double. And then because we've got to see Harry with us, they've got a sofa bed here for Harry. We weren't sure if it was going to be made up, so we actually bought our own bed linen, but thankfully, as you can see, it has been made up for him. You've got another mirror here at the desk. And let's see, we've got some storage here. Let's have a look and see what's in here. Oh, good, we've got a fridge. Let's have a look. Yeah, lovely, so we've got a good sized fridge there as well. We've got TV, we've got tea and coffee making facilities. And let's see what view we've got. If I can figure out how to open the curtain. Let's go this. Oh, that bit's stuck. Haha, here we go. Okay, so it's actually quite a small window. Let's have a look. What have you got as a view? We did ask for a sea view. Oh yeah, we kind of just have. I mean, that's not the greatest view down there. But just over in the distance, you can just about see the sea. So not too bad. So just having a look here by the bed, so there's additional storage there. So you've got 3 drawers. There is a plug socket and USB. I think that's on the other side of the bed as well. Yep, actually, that's got double plugs. There's one just underneath the table and one above, so that's handy. And there's also air conditioning, which is good for the summer nights. When we checked in, they gave us this really handy little welcome letter. Just gives you a few useful bits of information about the hotel. So you've got the Wi-Fi, which is included, complimentary throughout the stay. The breakfast is also included, and it gives you times and also tells you when it's busy or not. And then just gives you general information, food and beverage, fitness centre, don't think we'll be using that. And mentions parking there. It's the one thing with the parking situation at the moment, unfortunately, because this is a brand new hotel, there is no car park dedicated to the hotel. So we've had to park in a multi-storey a little bit down the road. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's not the end of the world, but I guess if you've got lots of luggage, it can be a bit of a pain. They are in the process of getting the car park across the road built, especially for the hotel. So hopefully, if you do decide to choose this hotel, by the time you come, there will be car parking provided. So this storage I was talking about just now, between the beds, actually is a very cleverly hidden little safe just here. So I'll leave this down to Neil. I'm hopeless with stuff like this, but it's quite a good size. You'll probably get, like, you know, a tablet in there and maybe a small handbag and stuff. Certainly good enough for what we need it for anyway. Is there anything hidden in these drawers? No. And no, I was hoping there'd be a hairdryer, but it doesn't seem that there is. Found the hairdryer. It was hidden in the wardrobe. There we go. So I'm just unpacking and putting all our toiletries away, and I've just noticed this sink's really unique. I've never seen one like this before. If you can, I don't know if it comes up on the camera, but it's not just got like a, it's not like a straight edge to it. It's like really curved. So if you put stuff too close to the edge, it's probably going to slide into the sink. Just be careful when you're putting all your bits and bobs away. Harry, true to form, has come straight into the room, turned the telly on, and discovered you can get YouTube and iPlayer. He's making the most of his bed already, and this is one happy, happy little boy. So what do you think of the hotel so far?
Very good.
Yeah, happy with it?
Yeah.
Is your bed comfortable?
Yes.
Excellent.